When multiplying with scientific notation, it requires at least 3 and sometimes 4 steps. We're going to multiply the coefficients, multiply the powers of 10, applying the rule of exponents. And again, that rule is we're going to add the exponents. We're going to combine those results and then put it in proper form. Let's take a look at how that works. So here's an example. Evaluate 6.0 times 10 to the 4th times 2.5 times 10 squared. Multiply the coefficients. So here we're multiplying 6.0 and 2.5 is giving us 15. Then we're multiplying the powers of 10, applying the rules. So we're adding 4 plus 2 is how we're getting 6, right? The rules, when we multiply the same base, we add the exponent. So we're combining those results. We have our 10 to the 6th, and we have our coefficient, our product of 15. But 15, you'll notice, is not between 1 and 10. It's not greater than or equal to 1 or less than 10, so we have to move the decimal 1 over to make it 1.5. And I always like to say, if my number got smaller, my coefficient got smaller, my exponent now has to get bigger. So 6 moves up to 7 to make scientific notation the product of 1.5 times 10 to the 7th. Let's look at this again with another example where we can write it out. We have 4.8 times 10 to the 6th and 9.0 times 10 to the negative 8. So first we're going to multiply 4.8 times 9.0, our two coefficients, which will give us a new coefficient of 43.2. We're then going to multiply the powers of 10, applying our rules of exponents where we add them. So we're going to multiply 10 to the 6th times 10 to the negative 8, where we're going to add our exponents. 6 plus negative 8 will give us 10 to the negative 2. If we combine those results, that would give us 43.2 times 10 to the negative 2. But 43.2 is not in proper scientific notation. It's not greater than or equal to 1, but less than 10. It's greater than 10. So we need to move our decimal to be between the 4 and the 3 to be 4.32. But if my number got smaller, my exponent has to get bigger to become a negative 1, making our proper form in scientific notation for our products 4.32 times 10 to the negative 1.